Hi!
Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for July 18th. So, let's get started.
This day in history!
On this day in history, July 18th, 1853, trains began running over the first North American international railroad between Portland, Maine and Montreal, Quebec. And on this day in 1936, the first Oscar Mayer Wienermobile rolled out of the General Body Company's factory in Chicago. The Wienermobile was invented by Carl Mayer, Oscar's nephew. The vehicle, a hot dog in a bun on wheels, tours around the United States promoting the Oscar Mayer Wiener. Also, on this day in 1921, John Glenn Jr. was born. He was an astronaut, Marine Corps fighter pilot, and politician. He was the third American to fly in space and the first American to orbit the Earth while aboard the Friendship 7. He's also the oldest living person to have flown in space, when at age 77 in 1998, he flew aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery mission STS-95. He also served as a United States Senator from Ohio from 1974 to 1999. Today on Word Power, we're going to talk about the word knot. A knot is something that you tie in rope or string to keep it together, right? Well, it's also a way of measuring the speed of a ship and of the wind. The two meanings of this word are actually connected. Sailors used to tie knots every 50 feet or 17 meters along a rope. They'd then throw the rope overboard and count the knots as the rope passed a certain spot or checkpoint. The number of knots that passed the checkpoint in 30 seconds was then recorded as the speed of the ship.
Ooh, extremes.
Today on Extremes, we ask, what is the largest planet in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter's diameter is 88,371 miles across, which is 142,800 kilometers. It's so massive that you could actually fit 1,300 Earths inside of it. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and it's mostly made out of hydrogen and helium gases.
Health tips.
Building strong muscles is important, and here's a fun exercise you can try. It's called butterfly wings. This exercise is good for your stomach muscles. You begin by lying on your back. Keep your knees bent, your feet flat, and your arms out to the side. Now bring your arms and knees upwards towards the ceiling. Straighten your arms and legs and clasp your hands together. Return to starting position. Now see if you can do 10 butterfly wings. That will really build your stomach muscles. We all know it's important to recycle, right? But did you know it's just as important to buy things that are made out of recycled products? For example, most kinds of paper towels are made from newly cut trees, but you can find paper towels at the grocery store that are made from recycled paper instead. When you buy things made out of recycled paper, it means that the recycled paper will get used instead of going to the dump. In fact, if every household in the United States brought just 3 rolls of paper towels made from recycled paper, it would keep 6,600 garbage trucks worth of paper from ending up at the dump. So spread the word. Buy recycled paper towels. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.